In front of me is a General Mobile GM5 Plus D, and I'll show you how to wipe cache on this device. So we will start off by powering up the phone using the power key. Hold it for a moment till you see the option to power off. And tap on it, wait for the device to shut off. And once it's off, we will hold volume up plus power key together. So these two. And once you see the logo, you can let go of the keys. And now that you have the no command Android logo, we'll hold power key and tap on volume up once, like so, and go straight to the recovery mode. From here we will use volume up and down to scroll through the menu. So down to go down and up to go up. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and confirm it with the power key. So as you can see, it's now selected, and I'm just gonna press this as a power key, and once more we need to select yes that we want to do so. So volume down to select yes and power key to confirm it. Then you get a little message on the bottom that wipe cache complete, and immediately you are redirected to the reboot system option on the top. So you can just press the power key and the phone will reboot. And once it's back on to the normal Android, basically the process will be finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.